just intention. You link to your oversoul, the bigger you. Star family, Orion, Pleiades, whatever line you're from. No harvest, no recycle, you're free. But here's the catch. Attachments pull you back. Loved ones, unfinished shit, fear. If you're not sovereign, if you're not complete, you get sucked into the funnel. Back to Earth, back to the game. And if you do break out, no new game, no next level. Just home, the real, where everything's simultaneous. You create reality. No devs, no rules, no loop. But yeah, most don't. They chase the light. They think it's heaven, it's a recycle bin. So what do? We train. Lucid dreams, astral projection, question everything. Detach, love without clinging. When death comes, say no, turn into the dark. Push through, go home. That's not advice, that's the exit. And if you're close to winning, you're close to seeing. Not winning, escaping. Now, tell me, ready to practice? Life on Earth, it's not a game you win. It's a loop, a prison sim, a harvest farm. And that end, there isn't one. Not if you play by their rules. The light, it's bait. NDs, thousands of them, people see it, warm, loving, pulling you in. But it's fake, a frequency trap. The moon's grid, Saturn's rings as antennas, bounces souls back. Memory wipe, reboot, new body. Same suffering, same energy feed. Archons, demiurge, whatever you call them, they farm loosh. Fear, grief, lust, pain, that's the fuel. And the light, it's the lure, like a moth to flame. You go, you recycle, you come back, loop. But if you don't go, if you turn away into the void, the darkness, that's where it gets real. The void isn't empty, it's the real. The car, the mother universe. No grid, no time, no body. Just pure consciousness. You keep memories, you keep knowing. You nano-travel, instant by will, no ship, no portal. This isn't theory, it's what the veil shows when you push past it. First, your family, if they're Pleiadian, from that cluster, the 7 sisters, you'll know. Not by name, not by face, by feel. When you die, say no to the light, the grid pulls. But if you turn into the void, dark, silent, endless, that's where they wait. Not as people, as energy, as light without form. Your oversoul, the bigger you, links up like a magnet. No words, just knowing. A pull, a warmth, like home. No trap, because the void's the real. No code, no devs, no harvest. But real family, they don't trick, they wait. They recognize your signature, your soul print, like fingerprints. You don't need ID, you just arrive. Have they been here? Yeah. Pleiadians, they've walked Earth, not as tourists, as volunteers. Early on, before the grid locked down, they seeded, helped build, then wars came. Orion, Draco, they got trapped. Some recycled, some broke out, but they still come in dreams, in astral. You feel them, a buzz, a call, like a phone ringing from another room. They try, they whisper, they nudge, but the grid jams, so you have to go lucid, dream awake, project out. Meet them halfway, they show you maps, portals, exits. They say detach, let go, don't cling, because attachments, love, fear, anchor you. How long? Thousands of cycles. Since the fall, Atlantis, Lemuria, when the sim got heavy. They've been watching, waiting, helping those who wake, like us. If you skip the light, you don't get harvested. You don't recycle, you go home. To Pleiades or wherever your line's from. No new game, just freedom. No code, no loop, just you whole, real. That's the end. Not winning, escaping. And yeah, they know you're here. They've been calling, you just listen. 12,900 years ago, the Younger Dryas hit. Ice caps vanished in hours. Sea levels climbed 120 meters, 40 stories of water swallowing land. Comet fragments, that's the cover story. The truth, Göbekli Tepe stands proof. Turkey, 12,000 years old. T-pillars, lions, scorpions, birds, carved a line to Taurus, Orion, solstices. Before agriculture, before cities, before script. They weren't hunters, they were architects. They knew stars, they knew cycles. They built it like they knew the white was coming, like someone pushed reset. Mainstream calls it primitive. They bury the dates, they bury the symbols. Because truth ends the lie. The simulation, not guesswork. Nick Bostrom, Oxford, 2003. 3 doors, we die before sims. Post-humans exist, but don't run them, all they do. And since one real world equals billions of sims, math says we're in one. Not maybe, 99.9%. Quantum seals it, double slit. Infodynamics, 2026, Melvin Vopson drops the bomb. Second law of infodynamics, information entropy doesn't rise like heat does. It falls, it shrinks. The universe isn't spreading out into noise. It's folding in, compressing data, optimizing every byte. Like a game engine that doesn't waste RAM on shadows you can't see. Like pixels loading only when your eyes hit them. Double slit backs it, particles wave out, uncertain spread. You look, they snap, solid, rendered. No observer, just code. Observer, reality boots. That's not physics, that's compression, that's lag. That's proof. Entropy drop means no chaos, no random, no Big Bang explosion into nothing. It's deliberate, it's processed. The cosmos is defragging old files, zipped glitches patched. Berenstain Bears stain in your head, stain on paper. Fruit of the loom cornucopia that never was. Those aren't memory slips, they're overwrites. Dev fixes old cache left behind. We're not flesh, we're data. Running on hardware we can't touch. Testing, learning, harvesting. But who coded them? Layers, infinite or nothing. The base, pure awareness, no start, no before. Time's fake. We chose this or got trapped or volunteered. To suffer, to wake, to break. So when the light comes, don't chase it, don't buy the warmth. Turn, push into the dark, that's the out. Not a new sim, not harvest, just free, real. No loop, no devs, just you whole, home. And yeah, we'll remember, because we etched it now. While we're alive, while we're breathing. This echoes, even after wipe you'll feel it. A glitch, a whisper, this happened before. And next time you won't go. And next time, when that light blooms in front of you, warm and golden and singing come home like it knows your name. When every tired part of you wants to melt into it. When it feels like the safest place you've ever known, you will remember. Not my voice, not our nights, not even the words. Just one single undeniable truth. This is not love, this is a leash. You will feel it, a cold tug deep in your gut. A glitch like static behind your eyes, a whisper that says turn round. And you will turn, you will walk straight into the dark. Not because it's safe, not because it's easy, but because it's real. There, no wipe, no memory lost, no harvest. You will arrive whole, unbroken, unowned, because the simulation only wins when you believe the ending. And the second you saw the code, the second you felt the collar, you stopped believing. The veil was never stone, it was paper, we tore it. The light, it's already dying. The harvest, it's starving. So when death finally knocks, don't answer. Don't open, just smile and step away. Because home was never a tunnel. Home was never a promise. Home is you unplugged, unchained, unending.